Is learning how to code a waste of time? A lot of people would say that you really don't need to learn how to code anymore because there are all sorts of programs out there that allow you to do web design without learning any code. They call them no-code software. And it's true, there's a lot of options out there these days. There's Webflow, Wix, and there's WordPress with various drag and drop additions to WordPress to even make it easier to use. So yeah, there are a lot of ways that someone can build websites without ever having to learn or touch a piece of code. So why bother? Why really learn how to code? Is it a waste of my time to do it? Well, my answer to that is that I don't feel it is a waste of time, especially for someone who wants to be a web designer, because ultimately, if it's that easy to build a website using this no-code software, then your potential client, doesn't need you either. They're going to be able to use those no-code softwares to build their own website by themselves. The reason they would need to hire a website designer is because they want a solution that is something they can't figure out themselves. They want something custom, that's something beyond the templates that are provided by these software. And that's where you come in as a website designer, because if you learn how to code, the competency and expertise to give them a custom solution, you also know design. So you can basically provide that expertise to your client as to what is the best way to present themselves on the web. Because as you know, if you can technically learn how to use software and put up a website, but it doesn't mean that you know good design. And that's where the designers are there to help educate their clients and help bring them a solution that helps their website convert their customers to clients for them. I would say yes, learning to code is what will help differentiate you from all the competition that you have out there as a designer, from people who are essentially going to low bid you because they're using software to make things faster, but they're also going to deliver a template-based design for these clients, and eventually the clients are going to get irritated that their website looks just like everybody else's. So the website designer that learns how to code, that learns how to do things differently, is the one that's going to stand out and is the one that's going to be able to command higher prices and be able to provide their customers with the solution that they really want for their website. So learn how to code and be different and be someone who has additional expertise to serve your clients. Presented by Designers Learn Code.